Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And this is not an Ixalan unboxing video. Again, this is not an Ixalan unboxing video. Let's go! Okay, so we have here what seems to be a Rivals of Ixalan pre-release pack from Magic the Gathering. Okay, but we're not a Magic player. We are an X-Men fan and a Heroclix player. So this is just a placeholder for a bunch of Marvel cards that I got from Collecticon 2022. So we're gonna look at the cards and we're going to probably take out our 3 favorite cards from the set. Okay, and then look at some Heroclix figures in relation to those top 3 cards that we choose. Okay, so this is Marvel Beginnings set. I got this fairly cheap from the convention. This is, I think, 20 pesos per card. So it's like 50 cents each. So, but as you can see, there's a big number of cards here, and all of these are X-Men related. Okay, and we begin with Dupe, and Dupe, you can already see, is set number 184. I'm not so familiar of the how many is included in the entire collection, but I know it's a big collection. Okay, because this one is 184 and the last card that I have is 527. I don't think it's just 600, so I think it's probably 800. I have to check Google for the checklist if there's any. So anyway, Dupe. Okay, so we have here Dupe. Okay, we'll put him aside. Seems to be a good card. We have Cypher. We have Silver Samurai. Hepzibah. Okay, from the Star Jammers. We have Karma. So this is by Upper Deck 2012, so a bit old, 10 years old. We can see here the real name of the character, first appearance, created, penciler, inker, and a brief bio of the character. In this case, Karma utilizes her mutant ability of mind possession to subjugate Spider-Man and use him to rescue her kidnapped siblings. The Vietnamese refugee is not diabolical but desperate and is normally responsible with her powerful psionic gift. Excuse me. So we have Puck. Marrow. Okay, a different version of Marrow. So we can see how she is old school, I guess. And then this is another variant. Okay. We have Beast. Okay, this looks nice. Let's put him on the side. I'm not so sure as well what the colors mean. This is colored green, this is colored purple. There's a bunch of other colors here, brown, cyan, and red. They might be rarity, I'm not so sure. So Black Tom, Chamber, Lady Deathstrike. Yeah, this looks nice. Franklin Richards, Wild Child, Toad, Genesis, Sunfire. Is this Age of Apocalypse Sunfire? Okay, Prodeus, Captain Britain, Executioner, Dr. McTaggart, Snowbird, Azazel, Not so sure if this already clicks. Let's see. Ah, the father of Nightcrawler. Okay. Morgan Le Fay, Dark Beast, Professor X, Callisto, Sage, okay, X-Man, Vindicator, Pixie, Prodigy, Angel, M, which stands for Monet, Living Monolith, Bastion. Ooh, the Bastion looks good. Let's put him on the side. Corsair, Wendigo, Pete Wisdom. Ooh, Marvel Girl, I like it. Nightcrawler, Sasquatch, Mesmero, Nocturne, Rusty. I don't like this style because Vulture is here with what you call it, Photobomb. Husk. This interesting take on Husk. Let's take a look. Young Paige Guthrie was obsessed with the possibility of being a mutant. Her desire to be different was appeased when she was confirmed to be a mutant who could husk away her skin to reveal a variety of shapes and substances. So I guess the sister of Cannonball, Kazar. Kazar also looks good. Union Jack also looks good. North Star. Oops, does it connect? It does. Okay. Aurora, Blob, Black Knight, Cassandra Nova, Exodus, Shadow King, Holocaust, Banshee, Vanisher, Valerie Cooper, Shard, Gateway, Leech, Caliban, Megan, Dead Girl, and the last one that we have, Sugarman, the repugnant Joseph Mengele of the Age of Apocalypse. Sugarman is a demented geneticist in charge of human work camps. The mutant mad scientist with a deadly tongue has a penchant for experimenting on helpless humans. So we don't have a lot of the core members of the X-Men. Okay, like you can see, we don't have Cyclops, Wolverine, Jean Grey, Iceman, okay, Angel, the originals. Okay, so we still have a lot to collect for this particular set, but these are the top cards I like. We have to trim it down further to 3. Let's take a look at, let's definitely get Marvel Girl. I like that. Let's get Beast. Okay. And then let's get between these two. Let's get Bastion. Okay. So those are the top 3 cards that I select from my holds, and we're gonna take a look at Heroclix. This 3 in Heroclix version in 3, 2, 1. Oops, snap. Okay, so we have here the 3 figures corresponding the top 3 cards we got from this set. So for Beast, we chose the Empire Beast, the bulky Beast. He is not as dark like the cards, but I like this Beast because of how beastly the body form or the body type of Beast here. Okay, so we all know who Beast is. So Hank McCoy, called to attendance in Professor X first class of X-Men. Beast is quickly required to utilize his agile acrobatics and supreme strength alongside his new classmates in a combined effort to stop an attack by Magneto and his maligned mission. So Jack Kirby and Paul Riemann. So strength. He's a beast. Okay, but the eyes are crossed. And then the second one is Bastion. You see Bastion here from the X-Men animated series set. There's a bit of a paint app problem on his face. Anyway, so he is Sebastian Gilberti. All in a day's work, the X-Men destroy a train but save a city. The commotion attracts the human sentinel hybrid Bastion, who scars the wreckage for clues to aid in his mutant seek and destroy mission, Operation Zero Tolerance. Yeah, so one of the villains in the X-Men lore. And finally, I think the best card in the set is Marvel Girl. Okay, so we got, of course, Marvel Girl, Phoenix here, in colossal form, because it resembles the card very nicely. Okay, and it's a really nice sculpt. Let's take a look. Marvel Girl is Rachel Summers, languishing in a desperate timeline where nearly all heroes have died defending mutants from Sentinels, that's the Days of Future Past. The remaining X-Men's survival hinges on the powerful psionic ability of Rachel Summers and a time-traveling Kitty Pryde. Yeah. Okay, so that's the video we have for you guys for this one. Thank you very much for reaching this point of the video. Like and subscribe. These are free things to do in YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of my content, put your comments and keep safe always. Bye bye.